Welcome to this video that explains the important principles of the IT3T third-party data return. What is the IT3T? The IT3T return is a third-party data return that must be submitted by the representative taxpayers of a trust annually, in line with the annual third-party notice issued by the Commissioner of SARS. In terms of the Income Tax Act, the trustees of a trust are the representative taxpayers of a trust. The trustees are the ones responsible for the submission of the IT3T return. Please note that the trustees may delegate this duty to a duly appointed representative or a tax practitioner. What is the difference between the IT3T and other third-party data submissions? The IT3T is only submitted once a year, after the year of assessment has concluded. This gives trustees more time before the submission must be filed. This brings us to the purpose of submitting the IT3T return. The IT3T return provides information on all amounts vested to beneficiaries during a specific year of assessment. This includes income, capital gains, and other capital amounts, for example, repayment of contributions. What is the use of the IT3T? The IT3T will be used to pre-populate the tax returns of the beneficiaries of the trusts with the amounts vested in the specific year of assessment, and the tax return of the submitting trust with the total amounts distributed to beneficiaries. Please note that the IT3T submissions received for the 2024 year of assessment will be used for testing and risk purposes only. As a result, the pre-populating will commence from the 2025 year of assessment. In addition, note that the information required in the IT3T was previously reported in the ITR-12T, distribution schedules. How to submit an IT3T? The channels to submit the IT3T will be determined by the volume of records, beneficiaries or vestings, and frequency of the submission of IT3T returns. The three channels of submission of the IT3T data are the following. Connect Direct. This software must be purchased and can be used for the submission of large data files. Example for community trusts where distributions are made to large numbers of beneficiaries. HTTPS. This channel can be used for smaller quantities of data through a data file. This file may be duplicated with minor changes for future submissions. SARS e-filing. E-filing can be used where limited distributions are made by a trust. This method of submission would be the preferred method for smaller trusts. For more information, visit the SARS website at sars.gov.za. and for detailed guidance on how to register and submit third-party data and the preferred method of submission. Thank you for watching. SARS. At your service.